As our nation continues to increase its waste diversion and sustainability goals, municipal solid waste management is recognized as a major challenge. Landfilling as the primary means of solid waste disposal is becoming a very serious problem, both environmentally and economically. At the same time, we continue to overuse and rely on finite natural resources, such as coal and oil. The burning of these fossil fuels has been linked by scientists to global warming. Entsorga North America provides a proven solution to our nation's solid waste and fossil fuels problem and is positioned to significantly impact the future of the waste industry, with the introduction of a proprietary, high-efficiency mechanical biological treatment technology. Unlike other waste-to-energy technologies, the Entsorga process requires no incineration or combustion in the manufacturing of the fuel. Municipal solid waste is collected by standard refuse vehicles and delivered to an Entsorga facility, which blends in with the local environment. The facility is efficiently designed with fast-opening roller shutter doors to allow vehicles to tip and turn around quickly. The industrial building is maintained under a slight negative pressure so that any odors arriving while the waste is being received are drawn into the building and passed through a large biofilter to be cleaned with the rest of the air. The dust is also captured by an air pollution control device to prevent the release of particulates to the environment. Once the waste is delivered and tipped into the reception pit, the process of moving it around the plant is fully automated. Every step of the process is managed and monitored from a control center, thus removing the need for any operator intervention within the building. This may not seem important, but it means that unlike other types of facilities, operators are not exposed to the waste inside the facility or endangered by heavy equipment moving waste around the facility. From the reception pit, the waste is moved using specifically designed overhead cranes. The waste is placed on conveyors and moves to the automated sorting equipment, into a fast rotary screener where the waste is channeled into two flows. Those items that pass through the mesh are undersized, and those that do not are oversized. The oversized waste, generally consisting of paper, plastic, and cardboard, typically 10% of the input, is removed for reintroduction into the process during the refinement stage. After passing through the rotary screener, the undersized waste is then collected by the overhead cranes and moved to the biostabilization area, where it is placed in batches. The floor of the biostabilization area contains Entsorga's patented design ventilation system that allows air to be drawn or blown through the floor in order to supply the microbes and the waste with oxygen. The waste remains in batches until it is stabilized. This process takes 10 to 14 days. After the biostabilization stage, the treated waste then proceeds to the mechanical refinement section of the facility, where the oversized materials are reintroduced and the recyclable materials, including ferrous metals and aluminum, are removed. All of the outputs from the plant that can't be used are collected in standard containers and are removed for recycling or disposal. This high-efficiency biological treatment method of preparation is not only the most energy efficient, it also exposes the maximum amount of waste to Entsorga's patented biological process and improves the effectiveness of recycling in the mechanical refinement section. This transformative process yields a finished product known as solid recovered fuel. The SRF product is shredded to meet specific size requirements and fuel specifications and is made ready for delivery to end users as a supplement or replacement for coal and other fossil fuels. The use of SRF will result in fewer carbon emissions than coal or other fossil fuels when used in cement kilns, steel mills, power plants, and other industrial applications. The Entsorga MBT process combines modern technology with a clean design to provide a highly flexible and cost-effective means of treating municipal solid waste. As the demand for landfill diversion and reduction of fossil fuel dependency grows, Entsorga's MBT technology helps meet these demands by extending the life of existing landfills, limiting the expansion of new landfills, increasing recycling rates, and providing a sustainable alternative fuel source.